Hey everybody, I just wanted to show a quick project that I've been working on. It is a single board computer adaptation of Grant Searle's Z80 9-chip Z80 single board computer. And I've adapted his schematic to KiCad and made my own version that has a couple LED bars so you can see the address and data lines as they work. And I also added my own little CH340G chip so you can communicate with the communication system via serial port, and I'll just be using PuTTY on Windows. And this is running Grant's basic implementation, and it was burnt to a little EEPROM. And you can actually write your own basic programs. So I have just the classic hello world with 20 go to 10. So if I press enter, run, see we can flip the screen here. I'm just going to press Control C and I'll reset. Watch the computer reset. And then I'll start it cold and do a memory tap, and you'll see it actually go through all the little memory addresses once I hit enter. Yeah, so now we're reset. So now I'm actually going to go ahead and go to a program that was already written, and this will create a Mandelbrot fractal. I'll go ahead and paste that in, hit enter, hit run. And now this is actually going to start rendering an ASCII Mandelbrot fractal with a whole bunch of number signs. You can actually see the computer as it's working away. Now, it's actually hard to see on camera, but to my eye I can slightly see the data lines kind of rapidly flashing, while the address lines look pretty solid. So it's working pretty quickly at 7.37 megahertz. Compared to today's computers, that's nothing, but we can't see it moving. Alright, and I'll just do a quick time lapse of the Mandelbrot fractal being rendered out.